Hi everyone, welcome to the course of MLOps Masters. My name is Bukhtiyar Ahmed Bappi and I'm having more than 5 years of working experience in the field of Python, machine learning, deep learning, generative AI, MLOps and so on. Through the entire course, I'm going to your instructor. So guys, this is going to be one amazing MLOps course from beginning to advanced. So whether you are a beginner or expert, if you want to start learning MLOps, this course is for you. So guys, you can see this is the entire course content. So here you will be learning about the MLOps fundamentals. Here we'll be starting with the very basics of the MLOps, like what exactly this MLOps, why it is required. Okay, whenever we are implementing any kinds of end-to-end projects in the field of machine learning, deep learning, okay, computer vision, NLP and so on. So how MLOps helps us there actually to create the efficient pipeline. Then we'll be learning about the version controlling system with the help of Git and GitHub, because if you go for any industry, so there you have to work as a team, and if you're working as a team, you have to know how to do the version controlling of your project. Okay, so this thing we'll be learning in this module. Then we'll be learning the experiment tracking with the help of MLflow. MLflow is one of the amazing tool inside MLOps. Okay, so we'll be learning this particular MLflow as well. Then we'll be exploring the Kubernetes for the ML deployment. Then we'll be learning the Linux essential for ML operations, like if you're going for the production environment, there you have to use the Linux environment. Okay, Linux operating system most of the time, that's why we'll be also learning the Linux. Apart from this Kubernetes, we'll be exploring the BentoML for the model deployment, and we'll be also using some monitoring tool, like we'll be using Grafana, okay, and any other actually monitoring tool, and we'll see like how we can monitor our application. So this part we'll be also learning. Apart from that, we'll be mastering the DVC, data version controlling, containerization with Docker, AWS Sagemaker for the model training to deployment. Then we'll be also learning something called continuous integration and continuous delivery, which is called CI/CD. So here we'll be mastering the Jenkins, CircleCI, GitHub Action, whatever CI/CD tool we are having. Apart from that, at the last, we'll be also implementing some end-to-end projects, like from the machine learning, deep learning, NLP, computer vision, so that this will give you the entire hands-on idea how we can use the MLOps, okay, in our project implementation as well. So here is the entire curriculum, guys. You can go through the curriculum, you can check whatever content actually are mentioned in each and every module, so you'll get all the idea. And this is the requirement, guys. At least you should know the basics of Python, basics of ML, okay, so that you can start with this course, because here we are focusing on the MLOps part. Okay, mostly we'll be doing the hands-on part, practical part, so I'm expecting you are already familiar with basics of Python, ML, DL. Okay, and apart from that, everything is mentioned in the dashboard, like when this course is going to start, like what is the timing and all, everything is mentioned there. You can go through this entire dashboard. So yes, guys, this is all from my side, and welcome again, and let's meet in the course.